What is up, guys? Today I'm going to bring you guys another truck from Mix 12, and it's none other than Whiplash, or W for short. Alright, so here is W, or Whiplash, whatever you guys want to call it. This is from Mix 12, and Mix 12 has been really difficult right now, but it seems like Massachusetts and New Jersey, shockingly New Jersey, has been getting these in stores. Now, I did just come back from a Target, and I did see more of Mix 12. However, it wasn't, all the good trucks were basically gone, in a way. But yeah, here is the Mix 12 Whiplash. This is actually the this would be the third time, technically, we are seeing this truck this year. We did see Whiplash in the Fire version, which was a couple months ago. And then we actually did see it in a color change, which came with horsepower. And now we are actually seeing it by itself here under the Danger Divas. And this is the rest of Mix 12 on the back. We got Gravedigger, Earthshaker, Aftershock, Megalodon, Freebird, Wolf's Head, Wonder Woman, and Blue Thunder. So Whiplash, third time we're seeing it. This truck, I don't know, it's kind of weird. I'm not going to say this is one of the best trucks for Mix 12, but it's definitely a cool one. I think this one does look a little better than the one we previously did get last year. And last year, it took a while for Whiplash to even be made. I think it came out in Mix 8, and Mix 8 was kind of weird because it came out around the end of the year, around November, December. So we basically had to wait the entire year to see a Whiplash truck. This year we're getting it in July, or it's supposed to be July by the time it's actually in stores. Who knows when it will be. But yeah, I think, you know, we already have 3 of these out, and this is the first one that's not a gimmick. So with that being said, let's open this thing up and take a closer look at the first Whiplash single truck this year. Alright, so here it is, the brand new Whiplash for 2020, and this thing looks pretty cool. I'm gonna admit it, I really do like the rims and the color of it. So last year we did get Whiplash, and like I said, it was kind of late in the year. This year we're getting this one towards the middle of the year. And like I said, this is also the third time we're seeing this truck. But I like this truck. I like this one. I don't think it's going to be a high-ranked piece for Mix 12. Mix 12 has a lot of good trucks. However, it is an interesting color choice. So Whiplash, it comes with a creamy color wristband, which is really cool. I like that. We have yet to see this color on rims or anything, so very interesting. So we'll put that to the side. And Whiplash itself, so the truck's roll cage is actually the same color of the truck itself, which is very nice. I do like that. It's kind of like that turquoise kind of bluish, which is very nice. And then we have a chassis that is gray, and then we got basically those cream color rims. So I don't really think there's much difference here compared to the Whiplash from last year. Now, lucky enough, I do have the Whiplash from Mix 8 right here. So I don't think, besides obviously the detailing is probably a little better on the truck that got released this year, there's really nothing much more different. Just by looking at the hood, it looks like the logo on the hood's a little bigger. But other than that, I really don't think there's going to be much of a difference here with these two trucks. So we're just taking a nice hard look here. Obviously, the logos and the detailing, the Monster Jam logo, all that is a lot better and higher quality. But other than that, really nothing much more different here. So basically same truck, same everything, it's just on a different roll cage and chassis and different color rims. However, one thing that will make this truck popular is for people that do customs. That rim color is really unique, and we have yet to see that rim color, so that might be a good selling point, as in like a custom kind of design. But other than that, Whiplash, pretty basic truck, pretty decent looking truck. Honestly, I think the one from this year looks a lot better than the one from last year. It just, the rims make it pop, the roll cage makes it pop. I think in that sense, it does look a lot better. Just take another look. Yeah, definitely like the one from this year. But yeah, really nothing much more to say about Whiplash. I mean, it's really interesting that last year we only got to see one Whiplash, and then this year we're already on the third version of the truck, with the first being the Fire and Ice one. Then we end up getting the color shifter one, and now we have a normal Whiplash. I don't know if we're gonna get another one. We might not, but it will be interesting to see. But with that being said, this is just gonna be a short video. Really nothing much more I can say about W or Whiplash, whatever you guys want to call it. But hopefully you guys can find it soon. Let me know what truck you like better, the one from last year from Mix 8 or the one from this year, Mix 12. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video very shortly.